Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to burn fat in your legs step by step. Start with a 5-minute dynamic warm-up and focus on compound movements like squats and lunges performed with controlled tempo. Alternate higher intensity intervals with steady-state cardio, and prioritize progressive overload while tracking reps and load. Support training with a calorie deficit, enough protein, and consistent sleep to help recovery and fat loss in leg muscles. Use compound lifts and unilateral moves to maximize leg fat burn and strength. Perform squats, lunges, deadlifts, and step-ups with sets of 8 to 15 reps. Add plyometrics like jump lunges and box jumps for power and calorie burn. Include short HIIT sessions twice weekly for metabolic boost, and aim for progressive overload by increasing weight or reps every 1 to 3 weeks to keep adaptations coming. Stay consistent and patient. Visible results often follow weeks of focused work. Quick recommendation: if you like efficiency, please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control makes cleaning faster so you can stick to your workouts and recovery routine. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more about this handy tool. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Incorporate a moderate calorie deficit while meeting protein needs to support muscle and fat loss. Aim for 0.7 to 1.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and prioritize whole foods. Hydrate, manage stress, and sleep 7 to 9 hours per night to optimize hormones and recovery. Track progress with measurements and photos rather than scale alone, and adjust intake and training every 2 to 4 weeks based on results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.